Bill Pawluk from Convertible Trailer Manufacturers here at Automotive Logistics Global 2015. Bill, I'd like to ask you a bit about your business here in North America. What's your outlook for this year and next year in terms of the operations here? I know that there's been some legislative issues. Are you any closer to getting trucks on the road here?
Thanks for the question, Chris. What I can say is business is moving forward for us, albeit the steps are very small, but they are all forward. The legislation issue is still outstanding, and we are working on that with the help of Jack Cooper and Lobby Group. We think we're going to make progress in that area. We are going to focus more on the high mount supply into the marketplace, and we have at least 2 OEMs that are going to support us in such initiatives, and several transport groups, logistics groups that are prepared to purchase equipment. So the next year we're going to have some new business activity in North America. I'm optimistic and looking forward to it.
And we've been talking a lot about technology today, and I know that you have a partnership with Inform, or you've looked to do some stuff on the IT side. Is this an important part of your business offering as you go forward?
Yeah, another great question. I've been working on this for quite a few years, and it seems that providing a piece of hardware would be a simple thing and people would just intuitively know how to use it, etc. And it's not the case at all. The auto manufacturer, they want a full meal deal, as we call it, or a full solution. They want us to give them the entire, shall we say, matrix of possibilities that they can use without them having to get more involved in that end of the business. So we've been forced to look at the other side of the solution, not just providing hardware, but also the software and obtaining data from the auto manufacturing industry as to where the car manufacturing is happening and where the vehicle flows are actually happening. Inform is very instrumental in developing the platform in which to receive this information and actually crunch that data to help us understand where those synergies actually exist so that our dual or multi-purpose type of equipment can be used more effectively.
What would you see now as a major challenge for you? Obviously, there's a legislative issue, but leaving that aside, is it convincing of the benefit of this? Is it getting people to change, the way they've always done things? What do you see now as the big challenge?
Yeah, I think that we could use that excuse previously that people were just a little bit leery of change, shall we say, or hesitant to change what they've been doing, but I don't believe, I think that's changing, and I think the North American customer is ready for this change. The legislation definitely is part of the barrier, we'll say, because the Stinger system is what has a legislative challenge, and that's the majority of our road transport units in the market. Probably 70–75% are all Stingers. So that is becoming more the issue. Do we have interest? Lots of it. And it's cautious interest, of course. They're all risk averse, but no, I don't think that we can any longer say that the excuse is, oh, I don't want to change, I'm afraid of it. I see people, companies rethinking everything they're doing. I believe it's inevitable. The change is coming, and it's going towards a multi-purpose piece of equipment. I cannot, from a logical perspective, even begin to comprehend why they wouldn't. But people are slow to change, that's a fact. But the early adopters are stepping up, and so I'm very much encouraged by that.
Well, that's great, Bill. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to speak to us today.